Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, TransferTradeSolutions.com on a Friday. This is the second day of May. Markets grinding higher. We are now fully recovered from the so-called Liberation Day drop, about a little over 50% to the all-time highs. Let's get right into the charts. One thing just to kind of summarize here, because everybody I talked about this. We haven't really moved a whole lot since Tuesday, really, but looking at this at the daily on the S&P, the SPY I'm using here, you've got 4,575. Also, I would add, because just kind of the self-fulfilling, and I'm sure everybody and their brother's going to be looking at this, that 200-day moving average comes in at roughly right here. It's a flat 200-day moving average around the same price. So right around 575 coming into next week will be very pivotal. See if we can blast through that, or we roll over. Another possible scenario is we kind of go sideways here, chop around for a little while. That would actually be very constructive, and then set up for some higher. Right now, it looks to me like obviously the market looks very constructive, but that can change on a dime, as everybody knows. So we will see, especially with the Fed meeting coming out. So that is kind of where we're at right now. Other notables, Nat Gas had a massive move this week. Thankfully, we got on board that, as I think I mentioned the other day. We bought UNG calls when Nat Gas futures were here. That translates to about 15 on UNG. So we are benefiting from that. And it looks like we're headed maybe to 4 MBTU on Nat Gas. Oil looks also like it's going to challenge the $55 a barrel level, which will be interesting to see on a long-term basis. 60 is the USO level I'm looking at. Gold obviously is inversely correlated to the stock market, and this will also, if gold rallies here in spite of the market rallying, this could be some hedging going on by institutional investors. As well. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so just let me just show you real quick on the S&P on the SPY. I was talking and I forgot to share the screen. Sorry about that. Yeah, so 575 on the SPY here. And let me just show the moving average real quick here before I get out of here. All right, so that's what I was just discussing without showing you the chart. There it is right there. Okay. Obviously, Apple getting hit. And another important is look at NVIDIA around 115. I just show you the chart of Nat Gas, since I didn't show that earlier. So Nat Gas at I was talking with Nat Gas when it hit 3 MBTU. Again, we were lucky enough to buy UNG down here. Now again, it looks like it's headed to 4. And then oil, as I mentioned, just going to show you the chart that I was talking about here. 55 on the weeklies, really looking down at the weekly levels here in oil. Okay, right down, that's that level there. Again, market just to kind of summarize it, the market does look constructive to me. It looks like it may want to go a little bit higher, but again, the key is going to be next week's Fed meeting, and whether we punch through that 200-day moving average is really what it's going to be about. Okay, so that does it. Again, subscribe to the newsletter. I'll be writing about some interesting stuff this week. and subscribe to the newsletter. Give me a thumbs up, and we will see you next Tuesday. All right, take care. Have a great weekend.